Wugiririki uhuthiri-ini wa kigina kia MUINGI ukoretwo ugitetio na muno makiria ni ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia umundu kuona kigina kiingi kirigagiriria mihuko-ini ya andu handu-ini ha kwerekerio tabarira-ini iria iri na uguni kuri MUINGI. MAKIARIA hindi ya KIGOMANO kiria GIKUREHETE hamwe gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu Kenya Human Rights Commission atongoria na anyiti itemi matiganite maugite ni kieha kuona thengia wa moritu maria magumeire bururi gukoretwo na wanangiki munene wa kigina hatari na wugiririki.
Kenyans are paying taxes, but unfortunately they are not able to realize the benefits that come with it, or rather we are also not able to see value for money because unfortunately Parliament has not been able to tame the wastages and mismanagement.
Maugite githomo na ugima wa mwiri nimo maundu maria mabatie kuigwo muhari-ini wa mbere na kugia na uiganania. Guku makiorota tabarira iria iratongorio ni munini wa President Kithure Kindiki cia kuhura njeki ikundi cia atumia na mbeu njithi makiuga mbeca ici itire budget-ini na irahuthika kuha MUINGI kunyita thirikari mbaru.
These economic empowerment funds and programs could be provided for, allocated for adequate resources and executed within the confines of the budget. It's so unfortunate that this is happening outside the budgeting process, and for me, especially at a time where, as a country, we are saying we have an economic crisis, we have limited resources, we are grappling with high taxes. That is really uncalled for.
Akiaria kigomano-ini giki mubunge wa Kitutu Chache Anthony Kibagedi niokereire thirikari akiuga niyo iratha bunge ya bururi na abunge aria marakararia thirikari kumana na mihuthirire ya mbeca magathutukanio nginyagia ndereti-ini cia bunge.
You find that when it doesn't fit, the head of state will buy parliament, it becomes an appendage of the executive, so you are given CDF like it is something that makes you support the executive.
Kibagedi ni agwetete mubango wa urigitani wa SHA ta undu urahuthirwo uru na kuogomia kigina guku MUINGI ugitigwo githinika kuona na thengia wa andu milioni 24 kwiyandikithia na SHA no andu milioni 3.8 marihagira. Murunawe wa Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe Patrick Munene akionekana gutetera thirikari.
Kama ikitu ya SHA, genuinely I was very consistent. I said no because I know it is purely theft. I was very consistent for a whole year, but that time the president would call you himself and tell you, initially sometimes threaten you, sometimes try to ask you in a soft way, nipitishie hiyo kitu.
We have a problem of mismanagement of funds as a country. That I agree we have. Across the board. 2, we have a problem of not having enough of the funds. And 3, we have a problem of Kenyans loving populist politics and politicians.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.